For more details, click on the link below the video. Try these ways to manifest emergency money. Needing to manifest emergency money is never a fun situation. We've all been there. You're at your wits' end trying to figure out how you're going to pay your bills, get the money for food, or meet a financial deadline. Before you break the bank, try these ways to manifest emergency money. 1. Count money. Imagine you hold in your hands all the money you need. Feel the bills in your hands. Bring them up to your nose and smell the money. Inhale the beautiful fragrance of money. Now count the money, laying each bill down in front of you. See in your mind's eye each bill as you lay it down. Make the entire experience as real and vivid as possible. Try to do this manifesting exercise 3 times a day, especially right before you go to bed. When you go to sleep, relax into the sensation of knowing you have created all the wealth you need. You manifested emergency money. Just this technique helped Genevieve Berend manifest $20,000. 2. Believe you can manifest money quickly. Like all things with the law of attraction, it begins with your thoughts. If you believe you can manifest money fast, you can. You must be the person that manifests money quickly. Do what someone who manifests emergency money would do and you will manifest emergency money. 3. It's raining money. This is another easy law of attraction: money visualization. Simply close your eyes and see money falling all around you. Feel it fall on your head and your shoulders. See it falling everywhere in the room you're in, on your house or apartment, and on your neighborhood. Endless amounts of money are just falling down all around you. Money comes to you so easily. Try to do this visualization for at least a minute to manifest emergency money. You can also do it regularly to manifest wealth for the long term. A variation on this wealth visualization is to do it while lying in bed at night, visualizing money filling up your bedroom. 4. Be childlike. Approaching money from a point of neediness or scarcity will prevent you from manifesting money. You're much better off approaching it from a point of curiosity and excitement. Think of how a child views the world. Everything is new and fun. The world is filled with possibilities. Embrace that state of childlike wonder. The results are pretty spectacular. 5. Be positive. If you begin losing hope or becoming frustrated, it will be hard to manifest money, emergency or not. Forget about achieving any specific results. Take some deep, calming breaths and begin looking for the good things in your life. Look at your life with appreciation, realizing that in this exact moment in time, this very second, everything is okay and you have all that you need. Let go of the outcome and rest assured that you will manifest emergency money. You will manifest wealth, good things will come to you. For more details, click on the link below the video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos.